Alright, there's like super dark clouds in the sky. Feels like I'm in a weird movie, like weird freaky movie. There's literally 10,000 birds in the sky. I mean, look at that. Look at that. It's not even a fraction of them. They're like way up there. There's lightning off in the distance. The sky is black. You can kind of see the lightning over there. Oh, this isn't really picking it up. This cheap phone. There's like a wall cloud over there. I'm on a bike. Sorry, it's kind of... I mean, give me a break. What's going on, birds? What do you know that I don't know? I mean, come on. This is amazing. You see all these trees? Every single one of these trees, all the branches are filled with birds. All of them. It's just ridiculous. So let's go. You can hear the chirping. You know that chirping? I mean, it's just ridiculous. It'd be better if it was light, you could see it better, but I have this little iPhone camera. Oh, there's a little lightning. I mean, this is ridiculous. It's God's creation right here. It's God's creation. And they're way up there and way off in the distance. They're coming at us right now. They're coming down. They're going somewhere. Oh my gosh. Oh, they're coming back. It's like the sky is moving. I mean, that's crazy. And then the darkness on the horizon. Oh my gosh. God knows when one sparrow dies in the valley. He even knows the number of hair on your head. And look at how many birds are right here. That's just crazy to think about. way. I mean, the camera is only catching the birds that are on the surface of the sky. There's birds way up there that this camera's not catching, that I can see. I wonder why the birds left those trees out. Hey birds, why don't you sit in those trees? Those trees are lonely. This is just crazy. What's the big deal, bird? I just got pooped on. Twice. Just now, twice. All this time underneath the sky of birds, and I get pooped on twice in a matter of 3 seconds. There it is. Oh, you can't really see it. My camera's not very great. I mean, it's good for a phone. Come on. Good thing I'm wearing a hat. Can you see me? Alright, enough of me. If you could even see me. Alright, we're going to turn to the lighter part of the sky because there's a storm on the horizon and it's just, there's no light behind the birds. I think this gives a good enough impression, I think, for whoever's going to watch this. I mean, maybe you guys see this all the time. I just have never seen this, so it's kind of a big deal to me. Yeah, it's almost not even worth videotaping anymore. Check that out. Watch that. What? All right, I did my part. I videotaped it. Hopefully you did your part and watched it. This is Joe in Oklahoma City. RefugeOKC.com.